Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about some MCQs on paper 1 animal systematics, and in that, we are going to see the chapter study of rat. And in this digestive system, I am Dr. Mohammad Ismail, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Department of Zoology, JT College, Malegaon. So, let's start. Question number 1. Rat belongs to order dash dash dash, and options are option A primates, option B rodentia, option C marsupialia, and option D monotremata. Means rat belongs to which of these following orders? So the correct answer of this is option B rodentia. Question number 2. Prolific breeders means animals who called prolific breeders. This means options are organism produce low numbers of offspring. Option B organisms in which male and female both can produce offsprings. Option C organisms breed more than once in a year and produce more offsprings, and D all of the above. So prolific breeders means option C is the correct answer. Means organisms breed more than once in a year, means 2 times 3 times a breeding season comes in a whole year, and they produce more than one offspring, means large number of offspring they are producing. So these type of organisms are called as prolific breeders. Question number 3 is female rat bears dash dash number of teats or nipples on its ventral side. Options are option A only 6, option B 8 pairs, option C 4 pairs, option D 6 pairs. So female rat bears dash dash number of teats or nipples on its ventral side. So the correct answer is option D 6 pairs. 6 pairs of teats or nipples are present on ventral surface of female rat. And nipples and teats are the unique features of class Mammalia. Now the next question is question number 4. Dash dash types of teeth are present in rat. So options are which type of teeth are present in rat. So these are the options. Option A is heterodont, thecodont, and monophyodont. Option B is homodont, thecodont, and monophyodont. Option C is heterodont, thecodont, and diphyodont. And option D is homodont, thecodont, and diphyodont. Heterodont means different types like incisor, canines, molars, premolars. This type of teeth when present, this condition is known as heterodont. Thecodont means what? Means the jaw socket is present, and in this jaw socket teeth are embedded. The roots of the teeth are embedded in these sockets. So this type of arrangement, this type of packaging is known as thecodont. And what is monophyodont and diphyodont? Monophyodont means what? Tooth and teeth come once in a life, only once in a life. While diphyodont means what? When teeth replaced by second teeth, means milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth, this condition is known as diphyodont. So these are the different concepts given here. So the question is that dash type of teeth are present in rat. Options are given here. So the correct answer of this question is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Means heterodont, thecodont, and monophyodont. Means in rat there are different types of teeth present. Means incisors and molars are present. Thecodont means the jaws sockets are present, and inside these sockets, inside the pockets, teeth roots are embedded. And only once in a life teeth are means teeth are present in rat. So the first option means heterodont, decodont and monophyodont is the correct answer. Next question is question number 5. Dental formula of rat is dash dash dash. Options are, these are the options. Option A 2003 oblique 2003 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Similarly, option B 1003 oblique 1003 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. C 1103 oblique 1103 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. And option D 1012 oblique 1012 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. What these numbers indicate? The first number indicate the incisor, second number indicate the canines, third number indicate the premolars, and the fourth number indicate the molars. Means the whole jaws are divided into actually upper and lower jaw first. Okay, that's why this oblique is there. Look at this first option 2003 oblique means the upper and lower jaw. Then again 2003 multiplied by 2 means the whole jaw is divided into 4 compartments or 4 categories, 4 different parts. Upper and lower jaw 2 parts, and then upper and lower jaw again divided into vertically into 2, right and left side, right and left side. Okay, so in one part 2 canines is present, 2 incisors present, 0 canine, 0 premolar, 3 molars. So likewise all these dental formula are assigned. So the correct answer of this question is option B is the correct answer. Means in rat 1 incisor, 0 canine, no any canine is present, no any premolar is there. So that's why 1 0 0 and 3 premolars in one part. Okay, oblique means upper and lower jaw multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. So total 16 teeth is there. In that 4 incisor is there, 0 canine, 0 premolar is there, and 12 molar is there. So that's likewise 16 teeth is there. So dental formula of rat is B, option B 1003 oblique 1003 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Next one, diastema means what? Diastema means dash dash dash. Options are option A, a gap or space between the teeth. Option B, a gap or space between the upper and lower jaws. Option C, a gap or space in buccal cavity. And option D, none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option A. Diastema actually it is a gap or a space between the teeth. Next one, taste buds in rat is present on dash dash dash. Options are option A, tongue only. Option B, tongue and bucopharyngeal cavity. Option C, buccal cavity. And option D, none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is B, tongue as well as bucopharyngeal cavity. The taste buds in rat is present on tongue and bucopharyngeal cavity. Next one is, what kind of teeth are present in rat? What types of teeth are present in rat? Options are incisor, canines and molars. Canines, premolars and molars. Option C is incisor, premolars and molars. Option D is incisor and molars. So the correct answer of this question is D. Only incisor and molars are present. No canine, no premolars are present. Next one. Dash allows the rat to judge the size of an opening that is about to pass through. What type of structures are present in rat that allows rat to judge the size of an opening that it is about to pass through? Options are external nares, option B is eyes, option C is olfactory lobes, and option D is vibrissae. So the correct answer of this question is obviously D, vibrissae. Vibrissae are the hairs which are present on external layers and which are tactile in function, and through this rat are supposed to judge the size of an opening. Okay. So next question is dash dash passes through diaphragm to empty food into the stomach called. What type of structure passes through the diaphragm and enter into the stomach? Is options are trachea, option B is esophagus, option C is rectum, and option D is duodenum. So the correct answer of this question is option B, esophagus. Next one is question number 11. Dash dash is the location of absorption of digested food. What is the location of absorption of digested food? So the options are option A is stomach, option B is small intestine, option C large intestine, and option D all of the above. So the correct answer of this question is B, small intestine. Next one, question number 12. Dash dash valve or sphincter is present at the opening of esophagus into the stomach. At the opening of esophagus into the stomach, which type of valve or sphincter is present? So the option is pyloric, option B is fundus, option C is cardiac, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option C, cardiac sphincter, which prevent the backward flow of food from stomach to esophagus while stomach is going to churn the food or start peristalsis movement. Next one, question number 13. Stomach leads into small intestine via an opening guarded by dash dash dash. Options are pyloric sphincter, option B fundus, option C cardiac sphincter, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option A, pyloric sphincter, which is present at the junction of stomach as well as small intestine. Next one, question number 14. Dash dash cells of stomach secrete mucus. In mucus, which type of cells are responsible for secretion of mucus? Options are option A, oxyntic cells, option B, chief cells, option C, goblet cells, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option C, goblet cells. Goblet cells are the cells which are responsible for secretion of some polysaccharides and mucopolysaccharide proteins, mucopolysaccharide proteins, and some serous fluid. 90% water is there. So these are the different constituent of mucus which is secreted by goblet cells, and this mucus internally cover the lining of the stomach so as to prevent the lining of the stomach from hydrochloric acid. So the correct answer of this question is goblet cells. So these are some MCQs on study of rat in introductory chapter, as well as some questions on digestive system. In the next video, means part B of this video, we will see some MCQs on digestive system and mechanism of digestion and different enzymes. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.